anything else, okay, if you have any books or anything like that, go into your desk. So the handouts that the boys gave you, created for you, you have in your desk. Everything else is away. You have 30 seconds because these boys are ready to present, and I want them to have your full attention.
Now you have to tell me when you want to switch it. And you would present. First thing you do is always do what we said.
I can't actually play.
Hang on just a second. Okay, we're going to wait till all our audience is ready. Now we're all just sitting. Okay? Now face the audience. Okay? Look at all these words there. Right. Here too.
I am here to pretend with some maps of the world that Jamie was in the dinosaur time. 220 million years ago, you see that is the Triassic period. Well, this is all Pangea. That was, and it was in one area. So, in the dinosaur time, there's a lot of living trees. How that was going to Jurassic genre. Yes, but we're talking in the Jurassic. Little Eoraptor was the first dinosaur. So this,
Have that in front of you, right? Do they have that in front of them?
Yes, they
So,
do.
so say, look at your paper, look at the paper I gave you.
look at the paper that I gave you. Now, can you see all of them?
Okay?
Yes.
So point to it so they can find it, Kyle. Point to it on your map and they can find it
And
too.
then boys and girls, find it on your map.
All right, find it on your map. Did you find it, Reggie? Okay.
It was one big continent, wasn't it?
Did everybody find it?
Yep, everybody found it.
Okay.
So why is that important? What did the dinosaurs do?
Well, I told you again, it was in one big area.
Dinosaurs.
So the dinosaurs walked all the way. Well, it's actually the dinosaurs walked it all over the planet, okay? Okay, so say they walked over the planet.
Okay, so then what happens?
And then it happens to change into Triassic. And here's Australia, that's North America. There's Eurasia, now we call Asia and Europe Eurasia. Because they were so close together.
Okay.
Here's China, here's North America, that I said you're getting South America.
And then what happened?
Then it's changed apart in 120 or 150. 140 million years ago, the Jurassic.
And then what happened?
It goes apart a little.
And then in the Cretaceous period, what happened?
It got all apart and it was like your body. It was more apart, but we're going to talk about Jurassic.
Okay.
Because what's special about Antarctica?
You're gonna have to flip.
Okay.
There's something to look it up for.
Okay, so now you can see that there's what? Dinosaurs where?
That's the national. I think that's the national moment. No, national moment right there. Oh, that's Hill Creek in Montana, and here's perfect.
Go ahead, Kyle. This is
Point with your stick.
Here's
what happened there? Why is that important?
Show, I underlined the dinosaurs.
Okay. There was, I can't really see it, but it's a little
are most of the dinosaurs found in what countries? Do you know?
And Asia and North America. And we live in North America. Yes. Let's get the...
Mongolia? And China?
Where are we going? Oh, there's China.
See, yeah.
Good.
Yes.
But they're also on every continent, aren't they?
Yes. There's a lot of dinosaurs in Mongolia. See these dots?
Yes.
Yes, that's where a lot of dinosaurs live.
Now, Kyle, turn when you're talking. Try to turn and talk to them also. So you can point and then talk to them, and then point and talk to them. So tell them, look at them, and tell them about the dots.
Well, the dots are like when the lots of dinosaurs were. That's what. Yes, we found fossils.
So each dot is a place that they found dinosaur bones.
Yes.
Was there any dots? And I don't know the answer. Any dots they found a whole dinosaur? Do you know? That's a question.
They have, but I don't know where on the map it would be.
I know one. I know.
You do know one? Which one then?
Two, the T-Rex.
T-Rex.
It's actually the biggest one too.
Do you know where that was found?
It was found in Montana.
Well, now, can you show us Montana, Kyle?
Okay, I'll find.
Oh, I gotta go back out. Hold on.
Can I reach this far? Okay, here. See, that's Montana.
Hold on. I'm getting there for you.
There you go.
And here's a veil. It's Hill Creek. It says, I think it says.
There you go.
Okay, so several Tyrannosaurus Rex speed. And it was I think that's Triceratops.
Yes, it is.
Triceratops and Tyrannosaurus lived in Montana.
And this one in Alberta, what
Yeah.
dinosaur was there?
Ms. Voorhees?
Yes.
I need Danny Mendes to the main office. What is things, please?
Thank you.
So it's named after the place. There's another dinosaur too.
Albertosaurus lived in Alberta, Canada.
Right, and there's a place in South America,
South America, yeah.
yes, where they found, what? And,
Argentinosaurus and Giganotosaurus.
yeah,
And Marsupialosaurus? No, Megaliosaurus. Megaliosaurus, thank you.
okay, now we can go to bed.
Okay.
Nice job, my friend. Now give him the pointer. Unless you want to use a big pointer, you can. Are you doing this page first, my friend Ben?
Yeah, they're in order.
All right, now don't forget to introduce yourself before you start too.
Okay, you remember me then. Remember I like dinosaurs? Great. Now, this is a dinosaur. Wait,
Hold on,
Hold on. Now let me get. Let's try to get the whole thing. Hold on. You know what? Why don't you just let's turn this off and hold this because this one is not getting on the whole screen.
You want-
Yeah, that way can you guys see it, fourth grade? You think it's big enough to see? Oh, you want a magnet? Where's the magnet? Here you go. We put it here, then it's so easy.
with this spoiler, it's really long. This is Velociraptor. It was the earliest dinosaur of all. And it had good vision. And it had 5 fingers. Wait. No, 5 finger hands. Okay, that's great. And then
What was it?
it was in the Jurassic. I had hands and feet as strong claws. This was effective.
You go like this, point this, turn your head this way. Point that now. Now start talking. Put that.
That it was fast
Very fast. Tell them why it was fast.
because it had skinny legs.
What was it?
A meat eater.
Can you tell us why it's a meat eater? How do you know it's a meat eater?
Because
Look at us.
it has, because it was walks on two legs. But some of the plant eaters walk on two legs too. But I can see it has a sharp jaw.
So you're saying the teeth. It has sharp teeth. That's one way you know it's meaty. Did it have a favorite meat, do you know?
Favorite meat? Probably Prehistoric.
So we ate Plesiosaurus.
So, and this has full hands. Its name was Prehistoric. No, I'm going to talk about
Let's go to the phone. Okay, I'm sorry. Can you be the helper to put, what is her name? Oh. Jack, can you be the helper to change the pictures, the new pictures up when he's ready? So when you're ready to change pictures, tell her and she'll put them back.
Okay.
Are you ready to change?
No. It had a long tail for balance. And it had a long good body.
Okay, help her. Help her. You can put it lower.
The biggest prosopod, and it had 5 claws.
Is that unusual?
Yes.
Why is that unusual?
Because dinosaurs don't really have 5 claws.
Is there a reason that you know why it has 5 claws?
They have other dingo.
So it needed that to eat?
And Sexodontosaurus.
Say that again.
Sexodontosaurus.
Sexodontosaurus. So you can say it again.
Sexodontosaurus.
Sexodontosaurus.
It's a TH.
A TH. So it's a. Oh.
And it was the second smallest prosopod.
And could you explain what a protopod is?
Protopod is a plant. Is a sauropod that walks on 2 legs. This is only a baby. It's only a baby.
But it's a
Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus?
It's the smallest prosopod and known as the smallest sauropod.
And it walks on 2 legs.
No, 4.
4 legs.
4. This one is the only one.
All the rest of the, what pods?
Prosopod.
All the other ones walk on 2 legs. And he walks on 4 legs. Okay.
Change.
Good, good food for it, right? Change it when I change it.
Now we're at the Jurassic period.
The Jurassic period. Kyle, you told us about the Jurassic period too. Where'd you go? Kyle, you told us about the Jurassic period also at the Atlas, on the Atlas, right? All right, go ahead.
This is Allosaurus.
Allosaurus is one of my favorites. Because I think I remember, does anyone remember, because he told us last time, does anyone remember, he compared Allosaurus to Tyrannosaurus Rex. Who, 4th grade, I hope somebody remembers this, because he was very specific and I remember this. Who remembers the differences between Allosaurus and Tyrannosaurus Rex? Call me anybody you want, then. Pick somebody, man, just point to them. Who's got their hand raised?
Nobody.
His hand is raised. Go ahead.
They both lived in different time periods.
And
Wait. Let's see who's really listening. I don't know, I remember. What were the 2 different time periods? What time period did Allosaurus live? 4th grade? You remember? I know that it's on the tip of your tongue.
220 and 150.
Million years ago? Million years ago.
No.
No, not quite.
No, it's 140.
Well, she was very close, wasn't she?
Uh-huh.
Yes, she was. I think she gets credit for that. That was excellent, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
She remembers.
And Allosaurus's nickname is Big Al.
Big Al. So now he was in. Name the period. Jurassic, the Triassic.
No, he was just in the Jurassic.
So he was in the Jurassic. Now, Tyrannosaurus Rex. So if Allosaurus was in the Jurassic,
No, Cretaceous.
who was in the Cretaceous?
T-Rex.
So now that we know the answer to the questions I was about to ask, what were the two periods? What were the two eras they were in? Allosaurus was in what? Go ahead. We just told us. Go ahead. The Jurassic on the tip of your tongue. So here's the Jurassic was Allosaurus.
And this
Wait, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Cretaceous? Now, fourth grade. Don't tell me. Fourth grade. Who's older, Tyrannosaurus or Allosaurus? Okay, pick someone.
You. Allosaurus? Yes.
All right. Sorry to take you.
And there's also another difference.
Go ahead.
Because T-Rex has 2 and shorter arms. Allosaurus has 3 and more big arms.
Oh, say that again. Tyrannosaurus has what?
Little arms and 2 fingers, and Allosaurus has 3 and it's much longer.
And why do you think that is?
Oh, that's a difference.
Oh,
That's a difference.
did the number of fingers change from period to period?
Kind of. All dinosaurs in the period have different fingers.
I know. In the Cretaceous, they have what? 2. In the Jurassic, they usually have 3.
And in the Triassic, they usually have 4.
4.
How about that?
And
Evolution. Right? Okay. All right. Keep going.
5. Okay, King.
Is there anything you can have?
Yes, that's one. This is Argentina.
Did you say the little louder we can hear back here?
This is Argentinosaurus. A little kid is about as big as its foot.
Now, wait, hang on a second. Can everybody say that?
Argentinosaurus.
No, somebody said fluid.
Nobody said that. Argentinosaurus. That's what it's called? Now, before you tell us, it's hard for us to see over there. Did you say there's a person?
That's a little boy.
Where's the little boy? Can you use your fingers to show us how big the little boy is? That's his head?
And
Alright.
this is his toe.
That's the toe of the, I forgot the name already.
Argentinosaurus.
That's the toe of Argentinosaurus? Did you see that? What do you think about that? You imagine seeing that outside somewhere?
Sammy, I have to speak for a little. It will only take you 1 second. Sammy, what? Is there another picture of this? No. Okay. So this is Beosaurus. It's now called, this is Beosaurus. That's a long leg. It's very long. 3% has to hold it. Usually Beosaurus walks on the floor, but when a predator comes in, and if he reaches leaves, he has to stand on 2. But he does not walk on 2. Just stand on 2.
So do you think that he might get some of the best leaves on the tree? Because not many of the other animals can reach that high.
But he's not the biggest.
He's not. Are you gonna? I want to ruin. Are you gonna show us the biggest?
The biggest.
Shh, don't tell us. Are you gonna show us first, or not? Okay, then you can tell us.
Antelope.
Who?
Cobbleless. Antelope.
How do you remember all these things? And he's bigger than Argentinosaurus?
Prehistoric.
This is Argentinosaurus. This is
Yes, And anyways, there's
I
no
know. Sorry, I'm
brontosaurus.
trying to keep up.
There's no brontosaurus anymore. It's now called a Prehistoric.
And can you tell us why?
Because he had the long head on.
Skeleton. So,
Who had the wrong head?
the scientists.
So there was no brontosaurus.
No, they don't call it that
They mixed up
anymore.
the heads?
Because it would be confusing. It would be too confusing, so they just changed the name altogether.
Okay.
Sorry.
And yes,
She's a good assistant.
Okay.
this is a picture of a T-Rex, a Triceratops.
And what we want to know about
Yes.
hips.
T-Rex didn't eat lots of food, so it had a big, big hill.
Yeah. What's
That's little head. Our sauropods had them.
Oh,
Meat eaters as carnivores. These are broad-headed dinosaurs. They're man eaters. They're also known as these. And this one. Because they had to eat lots and lots and lots of plants.
so it's tip to the back, right?
Change time.
Okay. Yeah.
Attention is slow. Right. Oh my goodness.
Now we're in the what period?
Cretaceous.
Cretaceous. Allosaurus.
No. T-Rex.
T-Rex. I got them mixed up.
Did
Always
you?
get them mixed up.
And dinosaurs never meted people.
And who never met people? Dinosaurs.
There were no cavemen until the end. When there was prehistoric mammals, people stopped living.
Prehistoric mammals.
No. That's when people lived
It
in.
was a long time after, right?
After the dinosaurs. Okay.
T-Rex has a large teeth. It has this teeth size as a banana.
Teeth the size of a banana.
And
Can
it's
you
with
picture that?
yes.
Do you remember how many?
60.
How many?
60 banana sized teeth.
So imagine 60 banana teeth coming down on your head. Think it feel good? Really not.
It'll feel painful.
Pretty painful.
And
Now, can you tell? Hang on a second.
Yeah.
Is there a reason? Is there a reason why they are so sharp? When he was eating? What did he do?
he leaned it back. He leaned it like that. He leaned it back, put his head down, and eat it.
And did he have to do something with his head to be able to get the meat off?
He had to bite.
So is it like they're almost like saws, his teeth?
Uh-huh.
Oh, all right. So it's kind of like sawing off the meat.
Okay. 40 feet is T-Rex.
It's 40 feet what?
40 feet long.
40 feet.
And that's as big as what?
Allosaurus.
As a bus maybe.
And T-Rex is also big as another dino. Allosaurus. And Sauropod.
Now, who's the biggest of those?
The biggest of those.
Allosaurus. No.
No. It's Giganotosaurus. It's actually not Giganotosaurus. It's Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. That was one in the movie that you all saw. Right?
So what was the difference between T-Rex and Spinosaurus? Was T-Rex maybe, or
No.
I thought Spinosaurus was lighter.
Spinosaurus is big.
I know, but is he lighter maybe?
Your sister wants to help you. Your sister. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Oh, what do you got there? What do you got?
These are horns and flails. That's what it says. This is a Triceratops. That means three-horned face.
Three-horned face?
And you know, it's forehead.
It's bird hips. Now tell her, you guys remember what that is? Tell everybody again what bird hips mean.
Lots of
Lots of food. Because they have to have lots of plants. They eat. Good energy.
These are Cretaceous cows, as the Hadley.
Cretaceous cows, that's what they're called?
Cows.
That's kind of neat. Because
Yes.
cows, you guys know cows.
Yes.
That's a very good analogy, isn't it?
There's Coryphosaurus.
Coryphosaurus?
All hadrosaurs have these long questions. Some have floats. The ones that need floats get what is that? Curcuminate. No. What do you call what? I forget. I can't do it. No, curcuminate. Like.
I don't know what it's trying to say.
Accumulate?
No,
Like accumulate a lot of food?
no.
Oh, communicate.
They communicate to them.
Wait a second. So are you saying that's a horn?
No.
What do they communicate?
It's the crest.
Oh, point to the crest. Just don't point away in the face.
Don't hurt.
It's hard for us to
There's
see.
one way.
I was going to say, what about the big one? Is that the crest? No,
Yes.
point. That's the crest. And that, how do they communicate with that?
Because they have little holes in there that make sounds. So when they blow, they make this sound.
Can you say that again?
Sound.
I do it.
And that sound comes from where? Point to that again. And that's called the
Crest.
crest. And that's there's little air that makes those sounds. That sound like what? What do they sound like?
I can't do it.
Sure, I just wanted to get that a little bit. All right, next, right? What's better for protection, horns or frills?
Horn. And did you know what? There might be other dinosaurs they're all ankylosaurs.
And ankylosaurs what?
Yeah, they're ankylosaurs. They have clubs on their back to knock off predators.
Oh, and I have seen those.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Print it out. Sorry, I forgot.
This is a Penasicosaurus. And I love your book, Mr. Johnny.
Oh, that from there? That's why I gave it to you.
This is Penasicosaurus.
It looks like a bird.
And
Why does
it's
it look like a
actually
bird?
an awful dinosaur.
What's it called?
Penasicosaurus. It's kind of, no, it's not a duck-billed dinosaur. This is a duck-billed dinosaur.
But tell us about the beak of the other one.
This one is a Ceratopsian. Let's clap.
Syllables. Go ahead. What is it? Pseudosaurus?
Let's clap it out.
Pseudosaurus. 5 syllables. See? How good he is? Good teacher.
And it's actually a Ceratopsian. They're like Triceratops.
So they are, for those people in 4th grade, ask them if they're meat eaters or plant eaters. Ask them.
Plant
Shh,
eaters.
ask them. Are they plant eaters or meat eaters? Ask that question.
Are they plant eaters or meat eaters? Get over there.
Why? Oh, he doesn't know why. He does know why. Well, you can tell because remember what he told us about Tyrannosaurus Rex? How come Tyrannosaurus Rex ate meat? What did he tell us about it? Because he had what? He had what?
Because he has sharp teeth.
Sharp teeth. You see like sharp teeth in that one? Does he eat meat?
No,
I think he is. He has lots of teeth.
This is a mysore. It means good mother liver. In fact, it's the goodest mother than any dinosaur.
Is the best mother? Why?
Because it's called good mother liver.
So we're not sure. They think so.
Sure.
And is that why they have babies there? And why are they in eggs?
Because they're hatching.
Well, why are they in eggs?
Because they're born.
Do dinosaurs have eggs?
Uh-huh.
Can you explain?
Yes, dinosaurs have eggs. It's 5 foot.
Why don't dinosaurs have babies that are alive?
Because I don't know.
Do they lay eggs?
Lay eggs?
They lay eggs? Is that what they do?
Um,
So they're egg-laying creatures. Like birds.
But they do not lay on the egg.
Not land, lay.
Don't say mother. That's all found in Japanese.
Mother is earthbound in Japanese.
Yes, he's saying about the game. Just forget about all
We got 2 minutes.
Yes, I have lots of, a little bit lots of more pixels. Did you know pterosaurs? Pterosaurs are not dinosaurs.
Pterosaurs?
But they live.
Where is
on-
it? Alright, so you gotta
It
show
says
us.
not a dino.
Alright.
It's a flying reptile that lived during the dinosaurs.
So that's considered a reptile, not a dinosaur. Right? You know that? Alright. And what, is there any other flying dinosaurs?
But this one is a flightless. But this one is a flying dinosaur. Archaeopteryx.
Archaeopteryx?
Everybody can pronounce it. Let's clap it out.
What is it?
Archaeopteryx.
Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx. Well, that's 6. Wow.
And what was it? It's the first ancestor of what?
It's the first ancestor of the world.
Oh, that's what we're looking at the gizzards, right?
Those are codipteryx and codipteryx and they're flightless. And this is the last picture.
Your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex. And this is an alligator. Alligators can't live during the dinosaurs. This is an alligator called Dinosaurs. It lived during the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous.
And still lives today?
No, but
Its ancestors. Isn't that cool? Think about that.
And alligators also lived during the end of the dinosaurs.
The alligator, crocodile.
But we still want to be alive. But the ones living today are alive.
Fabulous. Now, we don't have a lot more time. That's the last one.
That's it.
So, we have time for maybe 1 or 2 questions if you have them. Call this one already. What's your name? Nikki. Right, Nikki.
You know about the Big Bang? That's just a galaxy.
The Big Bang?
Yeah.
Well, the Big Bang, something, not galaxy. You remember what happened to the dinosaurs?
They got hit by an asteroid.
Oh, so then you're going back to the Big Bang as the beginning of the universe. Is that what you're talking about? So did you know about that, like that being the beginning of the universe? Do you know what happened at that time?
Well, it
Sure.
just keeps spinning around.
You know a lot of these stuff, don't you?
Uh-huh.
But that's not dinosaur stuff. We're going to stick to dinosaurs. Is that all right? All right, go ahead. Another question.
What kind of sharks?
What about you, Wolfie?
Hold on. He's asking a question. Go ahead, Joshua.
What kind of sharks live back with the dinosaurs?
He wants to know about sharks. Were there sharks with the dinosaurs?
Megalodon
Tell him. He's asking a question.
Megalodon lived in Megatooth shark and some other sharks.
All right. Another question?
Gill,
Big turtles.
turtles. Well, there were tortoises in the end and in the beginning. So, wait.
Great. Good job. Last question. Who's got the last question? Hold on. Who is it?
This one.
Will Release?
How long?
Release, we can't hear you. Nice and
How
loud.
long is the alligators? Alligators, 65 million years to 1 million years ago they were gone soon. Like I think that the asteroid is going to hit also.
What are you trying to say? If an asteroid hits the Earth, what's going to happen to us? Yeah. I don't want to be dead.
Maybe the asteroid's coming forward.
Yeah, but I don't. I think that we're all not going to be here anymore at that time. What do you think? Maybe. So, you have one last thing you want to say?
Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna